Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this kind of tendon sticking out on your hand. So I start off by using a few layers of liquid latex. Then I kind of drew around using a pen just how I want the shape to kind of come out. Then using some cotton earbuds, I use them as kind of the bones. And I pulled off the fleshy bit of the liquid latex to kind of make it look like the flesh is kind of ripping off from the skin. Then using the cotton on the end of the earbuds, I kind of just put it in to give a little bit more texture to the look. And this is how it pretty much turned out. I know I didn't record much of the whole process of me doing it because this is one of my early videos that I've done SFX. You can check out the full video on my TikTok. I will leave a little pop-up link so you can go and check that out. And of course, I had to do a little twist of a zombie kind of apocalypse hand. So this is when I went and just used some green paint and some white, just drops of Vaseline. So I pretty much just used a syringe and kind of just squirted some Vaseline in it and then pretty much just did like little blobs of it just to kind of create different illusions. This is the normal one. This is the original look that I went for, and then obviously I did the twist of the zombie hand. As you can see, it kind of looks raw, gory, meaty, and all that good stuff. And yeah, this is the end of the video, a little removal as well. If you guys did enjoy it, please don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel if you want to. It will really help me out so much. And I'll see you guys all in another one. Bye!